5 ways to reduce stress and make you happier. 1. Do something you love. Doing something that makes you feel good will keep you from thinking about what is currently stressing you. It could be reading a good novel, watching a movie, playing a video game, drawing, or anything. And it doesn't have to take plenty of time. Even 20 to 30 minutes is enough to make you relax, release your happy hormones, and boost your mood. 2. Get quality sleep. Stress and lack of adequate sleep go hand in hand like camping and marshmallows. If you suffer from stress-induced insomnia, try doing activities that make you relax before bed. For instance, consider listening to soft, calm music, meditating, or reading an enjoyable book. These activities will make you not only fall asleep quicker, but also sleep better and longer, and wake up happier. 3. Talk to someone. Reach out to your support system. Your family or friends may have gone through a similar situation and may have useful ideas on how to tackle your problem. Don't lock yourself in your room hoping that crying it out will make it pass. You don't have to face it alone. Surround yourself with people who care about you, who reason with you, and who are not afraid to tell you it will be over soon. They will help you take care of yourself and manage your stress one day at a time. 4. Exercise. One of the most effective ways to manage built-up frustration is to physically release it. So, slide into your sneakers and walk, jog, or run it off. Really, any physical activity will help you lower your stress levels. If you have been inactive for a while, however, start with something gentle like walking or biking. It would also be good to choose an activity you love. That way, you will feel motivated to stick to it in the long term. 5. Eat foods that make you happy. Now, before we start food shaming, let's remember that when you are happy, you feel good. And food that makes you happy makes you feel good too. That said, if you are craving pizza, go for it. If you want a salad, get it. The most important thing is to make you feel happier and more alive, and if that slice of pizza does that, what else could you ask for? There you have it. 5 proven ways to reduce stress. Do you want more of these? Subscribe and stay tuned.